Okay, in case you're watching for the first time, my name is MC Eberman, aka the Wulewo Master, and this is New Planet TV. And I have here a young, vibrant man, a young, vibrant Nigeria. In fact, now youth it be, you know. So he's here in the studio. I want to talk to the public. He has a vital information to pass to the public about Nigeria and Showore that wants to become a president of Nigeria. And it goes by the name
Lokido Osas.
Lokido Osas. He's a Nigeria person.
Yes, Nigeria now. You're a Nigeria person.
He's a Nigeria person. So, Lokido, quickly, so why you get interest for this guy, Omoyele Showore? That guy wants to become a president. Why you get interest for it? Why?
Why I'm getting interest for that boy? Because now boy not be old man, and not be like Buhari.
He's a youth.
Now very youth, young boy. He blood the rush because as me there so me and the verse because youth never rule Nigeria before. Youth never come and say won't rule Nigeria. Not saying I go say in a youth. As he come and so that's why I get that support. Say yes. May he see go that place. May sit down for that seat. Most see the change. Me that they talk about. You see, and so most see because that's why because people like me so I the verse because family people they suffer, people they die, walk around they do you know.
Okay, sorry. Now okay. My question is, this Showore, you don't know him before. You don't follow up before. Now, I mean, when you just say you want to become a president, now you just know him. Because this strong belief, confidence when you get in the guy, you don't follow him up before?
Yes, I follow him up.
Where?
Before.
Okay.
You know, I follow him up.
Don't they read the battle?
Yeah, they read the battle. Sarah reporters, many of this thing, you meet to follow up. Even other president, me for cup. You go to tell me, may you calm down for seat.
Okay.
No, you know the fight for only Nigeria.
Okay. And one thing you need to know is Nigeria problem, not be today start. Nigeria problem, like a small people say they carry overload give them. The Nigeria problem here, not be today start. For example, like lights. You don't tell the year this world, don't small. Up NEPA, when they bring light, we will jump up like frogs. Say, up NEPA! Yes. That the same light problem that we see get up to now. And you see light a very important thing for any nation. In order for work to come any country, there must be stable light. So this one you talk you strongly believe in Showore. Can Showore solve the problem of Nigeria?
Yes, 100%. Don't say
PDP not fit solve, APC all this year not fit solve.
See,
you believe in Showore, say go fit solve.
Yes. Okay, I want to give for example now.
Okay.
Old man, he dey build upstairs. He go there as he go the commission work upstairs. How that thing will take work? But not fit work. But you not like youth now. Okay, you now you in the builders now. You come that side. You come look and say, okay, yes, this road. No, I not like this road na fake. Come on, scrub. Put this one. Don't like this. You see, you go there fine. Difference day down. Person go there as. Buhari, you know they go anywhere. You know they hear what even say. See that day now. Before you hand, you go give another person flag. You go erase another person hand. It's very bad.
So what you try to talk be say you are not advising the public to vote for Buhari this time. If you say if they vote Buhari, you know fit deliver.
You remember say now our guest now you do a shower pass.
So let's go for a short break. You're welcome back.
Also, already the fact say yes, he won't enter president. The boy don't go all over the world. You don't know how life be. You don't know how things be. You don't know the things so far.
Okay, that's very nice. But if you look, the crowd will be say Buhari and Atiku they pull. Their crowd they very tight than Showore. Why if you say Showore crowd not correct like that? If you say go filmmaker because Buhari and Atiku their crowd not be small they pull very high. Why be like that?
He go filmmaker because why I say he go filmmaker. Make Davido campaign for his uncle. The way make crowd he win.
I mean, it's Davido campaign
for his uncle for PDP. He no win, but crowd Now God, that day God will touch people hard. Say yes. See, not to make God not fit do.
Sure.
Not to make God not fit do because the young boy, I support him 100% because the word need to come out for a man. is very good. You get that wisdom, that knowledge, that understanding.
The guy is intelligent, and you believe he would deliver.
Yes.
So I've heard his, I've watched most of his clips. Shows that the guy is very, very intelligent. He has something in upstairs. He want the betterment of Nigeria. You understand? So, and on that, okay, now what if eventually I pray make he enter, God go do him, he go enter because he's a youth and he meant well for the country. What about eventually if he enter that 4 years, he not come deliver? What will happen? More could deliver, make it continue.
No. That 4 years, if you enter, maybe it also you want to do legs, make hungry, step down. Because it's not easy. It's not easy. Let me tell you, even to be a man, it's not a day job. I'm not sure
it's a gradual process.
It's not easy, but at least if you see, try, we'll leave him.
In other words, maybe if he promise he will do 3 things, they can't do 2. They not be say because you not do one, make the pursue. They'll still leave him again. I mean, that's what they try to.
Yes.
That's what they try to talk. And so Atiku and Buhari. So what do you feel? So what be your take about those people? You mean say they are campaign? I just waste of time. There is no point of voting for them.
The campaign. I don't look most video. I don't look most of my friends from Nigeria. They say that day. They say they will vote to. Was it the fair collect money first? If they read now they no person they don't vote for. Say that the money. Say that money now their own. Say they don't believe them because they're hungry. The youth. I don't see blame the youth too much. So I don't feel blame the youth too much because person made the hungry. Hungry man, you know what hungry man fit do now? You know what I'm saying? But many now say that money they will collect them. But if they read there, they no person they don't vote for.
well, I understand them, but anyway, if you not go vote for anybody, there's no point of collecting any money from the person's hand in the first place. And okay, I want to ask now, all this money with Atiku and Buhari they use, the way if you say for they get that money, because sure now you not get money. We are sure Buhari call they get money till they do all those things.
Yes, for that question, God will bless you. For sure, for the get money, now for masses.
The masses. People they support individual. They.
I want to ask you one question, sir. Since when you grow, since they born you, you can't reach like this. You just for Nigeria, person go come and say he want protest. Masses go support them.
For the say want to contest, no mass for the not support. And their money they use all the stuff from the country posts. That's what they do now. Politicians and Nigerian money they use. Godfather they back them up, this and that.
Now you know say God deal with that boy.
Which means all those millions where they rally around up and down now for individual, you understand?
Yeah, just money, 500. 200, 1,000, 5,000, 100,000, 200,000, $2, $3.
People have been supporting.
€5, €20, €50. And so they take support. If you won't buy anything from you won't go maybe you won't go Senate, all those things. Money not cost like the Buhari or like the PDP.
Yeah.
See, that's just the thing. More just try. What thing I get for Nigeria youth? Maybe they not say maybe they vote for Showore, me rule, me youth still because they talk again one thing I look they say no say Showore never get the experience of politics before.
Sorry for cutting it short. Because now waiting people they talk say okay now you want to start, you just come from nowhere, you want to start, you know what's make you go for not to vote governor or local government or this one senate, all this you just come all of a sudden say you want to become a president. So why not start from the down? So that they complain, we say the masses that they complain. So what's your take on that?
Yes, for me, you know me. Because so many presidents, made for J, they come they rule. I've been on any president, don't come out for J.
Yeah, don't rule before.
You don't come out for J. You know how many presidents don't come out for J, can't rule. I'm always person. Me go school for Nigeria, go school for Europe. You don't work around the world, you don't know how far for investing, you can be president. You know it's easy to even help youth. Even your picking for us, even say you tell us say you will even beg. But it doesn't go some kind place. You don't get that wisdom, that knowledge. See, sir, you go feel Nigeria.
Okay, very good. Okay, now, see now since everybody they support him because he's a youth. Yes. So you think say after eventually he enter by the grace of God, if you say what will be the interest of his own interest for the youth? His own interest for the youth.
Number one thing, that's school. Because in go school, in go like me follow the number one and school. Number two, you go make hungry less. Number 3 go give light, because one light don't dey Nigeria, work go dey.
Sure, light is very, very important because I remember some company like Dunlop, for example, they relocate to Ghana and so other companies because of light problem. Because no company will spend money for this, so they buy this all the time, you know. But there is a stable light. You don't need to, not only them will they come for investment, you understand? So there will be development in the country with a stable light and good road. Those two things very, very important. When they stable light, to create job opportunity instantaneously. So it's very, 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 very important. Okay, now, you know, say Nigeria now, they talk about Godfatherism, but this one I not get any Godfather. You should say, apart from without Godfather, I think if you make this thing, this race,
yes,
that Godfather, all these things.
okay.
When they say no Godfather, not like Godfatherism, which is very, very good because now Godfather will destroy the country. You get money, you go to do something for the masses, you go to can settle Godfather them. Now the one way remember will not reach anything before you because it take you on the balance will now come they take to Nigeria. How the country want it better. Godfather has been a problem in the country Nigeria. So sure when I say no one want anything like Godfather. And anyway,
I beg the youth. I mean, I know lucky though. I beg, no so na vote. I beg. Cause the best, do people till they die? I don't know the see, huh? Do people till they die? You know they mind you now. I been because your person never die. They make the thing never affect you. Your friend will make your person die before you know see the truth. Huh? What they beat around the bush? I beg. No say our vote. I move vote for the right person. Mostly vote for the youth. I beg. Cause you don't get money.
Sure.
You don't get money. You don't get person the help him. You know say now only God. Now you know do make bed till they feed. Bed now they work. You understand so? Maybe the team more you help him. Because cow may they work. Cow may not get it. Who can pursue fly for her? Not be God. God maybe Godfather. Now maybe Godfather may get. Even Buhari article that they fear him. But I beg the masses Nigeria. I beg. Me they beg. I not in Nigeria. I dey Europe. We dey Europe. The thing they affect us for year. Our body they hurt.
Definitely.
It they affect us. If you get 50 euro, 30 euro will go out. It's not good. Tomorrow, no plan our official. Because we not supposed today, our brothers, our sisters, they die. I don't like them. I beg the youth. I don't know so na vote.
Okay, you've heard it from Lucky Do. You know, now youth in B. So the thing they pay now. Do you understand? Because if we are truly one, if anything happened to one, it happened to everybody. The pain for Nigeria, they affect everybody. Even the rich people, when they get money, you see, they affect them. Do you understand? Because you know, if you go take money, they buy fuel. Maybe you buy fuel for 30,000. I would say the country they stable. That fuel you buy for 30,000, you're supposed to buy for 500 naira.
You go, they charge your motor. They charge motor.
You understand? So you go, they reach the more. So not say because I can feed my family, I can do. No, it affects everybody, both the poor and the rich. So vote wisely. Do not sell your voice. Don't exchange your voice with money, because when you collect money from the evil politicians, your voice has been bought over. When they misbehave, you not fit talk to them. You are making noise. You are a noise maker. So vote wisely. You've heard from Lucky Do. You've heard from him. A youth, he met well from the nation. That's why I came to the studio here to pour his mind, to beg the public to vote. It's not forcing anybody. Vote is by choice, not by force. Because I bet Showore can deliver. It's obvious that Atiku and Buhari, they should write from the they cannot do anything. Do you understand? They can't do, and Nigeria does not want them anymore. So vote wisely. Vote wisely. So what's your last word? What's your last word for the viewers out there?
Viewers, my last word. Buhari Atiku na Siso. They picking the zero for your university. If they tell us say that boss, una Tifa, I beg. Una not Tifa. If they give una money, see una not even collect. Cause normal, una heart, una not take down. Una need to suffer, put, una take achieve something. If you never born, you come born tomorrow. You know a picking fish up, then you repair, then you keep. Because this thing when they do say our fathers, our mothers done for us, for no they suffer, for no they die for Libya, they die for roots, they die for all those places. Mono supposed to I beg, move, vote wise. That's my last word for viewers. I beg.
Wow, I love that part when you say all this suffer with the suffer. So I will say our fathers, they don't correct this mistake, so we for not they suffer. You understand? So it's not too late to correct the mistake. So we'll correct them by vote wisely. Any evil politicians, delete them away from the system of the place. Vote wisely. Give Chowore a try. My own personal advice, give him a try.
Yes.
I don't know him from Adam apart from Shahara Report, and he has been fighting those people.
For freedom, he's a freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter. So give him a try. The guy will deliver. He has something upstairs.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. And this is New Planet TV. Please subscribe on YouTube, New Planet TV, and follow us on Facebook as well, like our page. So, Lucky though, nice having you, New Planet TV. I hope to have you here again. So viewers are there. When you
subscribe
have any,
subscribe, Unayera. Subscribe, subscribe.
So when you have any vital information you want to pass out to the public, don't worry, the number is displayed there on the screen. Do call, we'll give you the platform. Anything you see people go benefit from, any topic,
yes,
just contact me, we'll give you the platform so that people will learn. We learn every day. You learn from me, I learn from you, now so we take the growth.
Sorry sir, I beg, no money. If you don't come, no money.
So
no be money they take come here. Now free.
Okay.
Now for everybody, for good. Don't say no, you want to collect money. You not be like that to collect 5 naira for your hand.
Okay. Thank you so much. Keep watching New Planet TV. Tell them to keep watching.
Keep watching New Planet TV.
Okay.
God will bless you. Subscribe, subscribe. Emma Binu.
Thanks for watching. Okay, bye for now.